Want to turn your photos into epic 5-second videos with just a tap? Well, Google's latest AI magic is landing on Honor's new phones, and it's a total game changer. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into the Honor 400 and 400 Pro's AI video generator that's stealing the show. Stick around to see why this feature is going viral. GadInsider, your go-to for cutting-edge tech, gadgets, and innovation. Honor just teamed up with Google to bring their VO2 AI model to the Honor 400 and 400 Pro, launching May 22nd, 2025. This isn't just any AI, it's an image-to-video generator that transforms your static photos into 5-second cinematic clips. No text prompts needed. Let's break down why this is a big deal. Here's how it works. The feature is baked right into the Honor 400's gallery app. Take a photo, hit the AI button, and boom! Google's VO2 creates a slick 5-second video. Think smooth animations, dynamic effects, and professional vibes, all from your phone. It's super simple, and Honor users get it before Google's own Gemini platform. And get this, it's free for the first 2 months for Honor 400 and 400 Pro buyers with up to 10 video generations per day. After that, a subscription might kick in, but those early adopters are getting a sweet deal. This is Google and Honor flexing their AI muscle, and it's perfect for creators, social media buffs, or anyone who wants their photos to pop. Imagine snapping a selfie at a concert, turning it into a vibrant video, and posting it to Instagram in seconds. Or taking a sunset picture and making it a mini movie. The Honor 400 series is launching with this exclusive feature, giving it a serious edge over other phones in 2025. Now, why Honor? They're beating everyone to the punch by integrating Google's AI first. Plus, the Honor 400 and 400 Pro are packed with top-tier specs. Think AMOLED displays, fast processors, and killer cameras. This AI video tool is just the cherry on top, making these phones a must-watch when they hit the market. This is more than a cool gimmick, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile creativity. With Google's AI and Honor's hardware, you're getting pro-level tools in your pocket. And since it's launching May 22nd, you don't have to wait long to try it. GadInsider fam, are you ready to turn your photos into videos with the Honor 400? Drop a comment. What kind of videos would you make with this AI? And if you're hyped for the latest tech, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider.